Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we will talk about how to drag or media files into the timeline and start editing the process. So in the recent video, we talk about how to upload or how to import the media files into the CapCut's. So here are all the files which we imported in the recent video. And now we want to, for example, we want to add this video into the timeline. So here you can see there is a plus icon, plus button at the bottom right corner of the video. So you can just simply click over there and here you can see that your video is imported to the track or your timeline. So this is a timeline and this is how you can import your video to the timeline. And if you want to import next video, you just have to click on that. But I want that video after that video, after the first video. So what I have to do, I have to click on that video, hold the left click and drag after the first video. So this is how you can just drag and drop your videos in the timeline. But again, for example, if I want to place that video at the second after the first video. What I have to do, I have to drag my cursor at the end of the video, first video, and then click on the plus button. So now this is my second video will be placed after the first video. So this is how you can, first of all, you can import your videos to the timeline, and this is how you can play change the placement. But if you want to place the second thing, just give me a second. The second thing is, for example, if you want to uh, place a video between these two clip, you what you have to do, you have to move that cursor between those clip and click on that video plus icon which you want between these two videos. And here you can see that your video came between the first and the second and the third clip. But the other thing uh, is you can also drag and drop your media file to your timeline. And this is the second track. This is the first track and this is the second track. So you can just drag that, hold the left button and drag it to the timeline. So this is how you can place your desired media file to your desired place. So you just cannot. I'm not using that plus button as much. I'm just using that drag and drop option because this will give me a more clear, more options and more clear like where I want to place that video and where I want to use that video in the respective timeline. So for example, just delete all those videos. Yes, and I want to place a video in the second timeline. Now I have to click that video and place over there. Here you can see. So this is how I can arrange all my video. And now I have to use another video which I have to, you can say, I just use this one. So this is how I can use my videos in that timeline. And you can organize all your videos by just dragging your clips on your respective track. You can drag any clip in second, third, fourth, and so on, but you cannot, for example, if I want to use clip or like I want to use clip at that place in the first timeline, but I cannot place that for, see, if I place this clip over there, it will directly move to the last clip because CapCut doesn't allow us to create any space in the first timeline. So what we have to do, we have to we cannot place this clip at that place in the first track, but in the second track we can place clip at any place or any position. So this is how you can organize your clips and how you can import your clips. And if we talked about that timeline section, so this is the mute section. For example, if this clip, if I don't want to use the audio files of this first track, then I just have to click on that mute track. Then I cannot hear the sound of this first track. I can just hear the music of second, third, and fourth track. But also, if I don't want to use, or if there is something, for example, if there is a logo at the top and I just want to see that logo and want to hide the video behind that, what I have to do, I have to click on that hide track button. So here you can see that all the videos behind this is hide, and I can just see the logo, and after that I can click on that and uncheck that to make it visible. And if I don't want to disturb my first time track or my second or my third time track, what I have to do, I have to click on the lock button. Here you can see, if I click on the lock button of the respective timeline, I cannot do anything in that timeline. Here you can see, like, I cannot even move any clip from that timeline. So this is a few options of that timeline. And if you want to make, for example, if right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we have 5 clips, and 6, and 7, and 8. So now you can see, like, we have 8 clips, and I want, if I want to see the, sometimes we have like 30 to 50 videos in a single project. So that really make confusion, like, in that there are too many tracks. So what we have to do, we have to adjust the height to short. Like, see, like, you can get all your videos in your timeline without scrolling down or up. So see, you can see all your videos in just one timeline. So this is the benefit of adjusting the height of your track. And you can also make it tall to make it more prominent. If you want to make it more prominent, you can change the height to tall. See, so this is the default height and this is the tall height. You can adjust as per your needs, as per your demand, which you think is best suited to your eyes. You can adjust it to as per your needs.